I can say we're still working on that ukuthi sithola abantu abazosiza ukuthi si reach le goal yethu esifuna ukuyi-reach yabo.
Yeah.
So sidinga abantu esingabathemba kahle kahle. Hayi abantu abazosiyuza.
Almost millions across the board because we're not just local. We're online. We had people from Europe listening to us. People from America listening to us. North Africa.
Or to assist us. Or to help. As in South Africa at large. On under Jacob Zuma's presidency. We were able to study under Jacob Zuma's Foundation Trust. We were able to get jobs. I was one of the millionaires. That was under Jacob Zuma.
The weakest point of iPhone ikhona. So even if ufaka i-1030, even if ufaka i-gorilla, even if ufaka uneno, but you must have your pouch.
Yes, sir.
It's your boy Tasco Nias, your favorite host. Nanzo. Guys, I have Nabona manje ngihlaselwe. I'm under attack. Guys, mina ngicela ningangilwisi guys ngimndebele yabona. This is about yours nokungishiya kancane. Uyangibamba bafethu.
We're too dangerous. Ngeke ngatatazeli. We're too dangerous.
Obvious. Guys, it's Petit Ultra Gang la.
Ultra Way.
Yeah. Anisha intro nje bafethu.
Okay, I go by the name of MP Monarch. I'm a full package artist. So I do MC, I do everything. Full package MC.
Kahle wena no Double D hamba kanje.
Yeah. Facts.
Same group. Oh, Double D is part of the group in.
Yeah, it's my dude. Double D is my dude. It's from the same hood.
Nisebenze naye throughout all.
Yes.
And then when I'm fair too.
My name is Carl Sof, dog. Like,
I'm
a rapper and I'm a very good singer, dog.
Oh, so good.
I'm a very good singer.
Yeah. Do you know the guy who TikTok lawyer or repange ges Indian yana so? Briani. Do you know the guy?
Who's that guy, dog? I never heard of the guy.
Can you take him? Can you take him, that guy?
No, dog. I never heard of
him. My dog. I can sense fear. But uzombona now, there's this other guy from TikTok. Repange slang say India nyana, so he's very good, my guy. But I can hear you from you speaking about you are very good, my guy.
My music is just so versatile, dog. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you. At the moment, like my voice sounds a little bit crispy in it.
Yeah.
Which is like I've been screaming I was performing, dog. Like,
you're coming from a performance now.
Coming from a performance.
Is it?
Yeah. And I actually found it like performance very good, dog.
Is it?
Yeah.
What kind of music do you do, my guy?
I can say R&B. I sing. I'm a rapper.
Yeah.
I'm really a hardcore rapper.
Yeah.
I'm a very good singer, dog. R&B, trap, soul, top music, dog.
So when you shine melody, you rap phezulu, you can hit the whole song alone.
Guess me.
Manje wena jayami. Uyarapper mechomi lo angeke. My guy, I can take you.
Me, I'm Lucid the Real. Go producer I mix vocals mix all over
or you create beats for them and everything.
I don't create beats like I mix vocals I'm vocals ukuthi
ingoma ikhale kahle just when you shama tune ini lapha
tune mix and then I'm an artist myself ngipusha yonke it like I got a brand Charles Meda.
Oh, that's your brand, Charles Meda. Dope, my dad. Dope.
Which is like his EP.
So actually, you guys are a combination that makes music. So actually, many three so niyapheka music nokuserva to about.
Kakhulu. Yeah, we do that.
So nina ngizwe nithi nina igama le brand. Nithi what do you guys call yourselves?
Ultra Gang.
Yabo, ubambela kude. Ultra Gang. Ultra Gang iqale nini, Prem? When did the group
yaqala 2018 we even got our own
we're getting close to
like we started go 2017
sometimes
saba kahle turn up gang so kwaba ne split yazazi izinto zasemhlabeni zenzeka
yeah
so manje sacabanga sinolusini we can move on our own without using contracts noma sibe under umuntu yabona.
Oh beni under umuntu before.
Sign contracts.
Oh ben sign nobani?
I don't want to say names ngoba phela manje izobuya ngendlela. So mina noLusis sacabanga ukuthi you know what? Asizenzele thina le because you can master, you can do anything. It's a full package to artists. So sabona ukuthi no, avele siqale lento into yethu kube mnandi. So now he has his own brand. Uyayibona Charles Meda.
Shout out my guy. Can I see it?
I even got an EP out.
Oh, you got your own EP?
Yeah, Charles Meda.
Oh, it's the name of the EP.
Yeah,
it's the way it's a marketing strategy too. Marketing.
So when Charles Meda, is it your own brand?
Yeah, it's a local brand. Con EP out. Got that. It's 6 tracks. It's available on every platforms. Spotify, YouTube, iTunes.
Oh, okay. So do you have una umuntu lo up designer layo ama products wako or do you do?
Yeah, we call.
Oh, so when it's just a matter of administration, admin kuphela ye brand yakho.
Yeah, ngamtshela nje ukuthi ngiprintele yenze yonke.
So manje ngicela ukubuza Brazo nithi you decided ukuthi you wanted to be independent nizenzele into yakho.
Yes, sir.
So ama difficulties manje gents if ever yini enganisiza ukuthi nisithole la nifuna uya khona ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi every time nathi la sikhona siyazama ukuthi siphushe sifike ku a certain level podcast you understand
ungayiphendula uzephendula naye after
manje group kanje yini usizo lo ningathi manje ngawuthola you know ukuthi unganiphusha to a certain altitude.
Yeah, lento ilula first. It starts with the vision. Then kulandela imission.
Yes.
Then mase kuba igoal. So ivision yethu ukubona ukuthi siqala kanje siqalele sithi we want to be independent. Sifuna ukureach ayiphi. Mase kuba imission we acting man. Sesiyayenza ke lento. Actually manje ngoba simanje siku always part man. Yeah, we actually pushing our own stuff. We don't have any management. Thina ama manager. So yabona lento le we were very inspired futhi by ama movement of Casper. Yabo Casper Nyovest. It does local brands. Lonke indawo, it done t-shirts. Lonke uVestyle. Akakhethi ukuthi icategory iphi ngizoyenza kodwa manje wenza yonke into full package artist le. Ama fill up yonke lento le. As I'm hosting le Oloites parts nami it's part of my job ukuthi ihambe accordingly.
Yes.
So umuntu manifuna as a group anganithola phi like in a sense ama social handles wenu sorry ama social banganithola phi banifuna bafuna ukubooka and everything because we understand ukuthi as an upcoming artist then there should be someone or some people that help you guys in a sense ukuthi baniphi exposure ama events where can the people get you guys banithola.
I can say we're still working on that ukuthi sithola abantu abazosiza ukuthi si reach le goal yethu esifuna ukuyi-reach yabo. So sidinga abantu esingabathemba kahle hayi abantu abazosiyuza because sibuye kukona ukuthi ade siyuziwe umuntu so let's say for instance ngoba sihostile manje umuntu he will take the money for his own pocket. Ngiyacabangela thina ama-artists ngiyacabangela futhi namanye ama-artists mina ngwabizile yabo yonke lento le. So we need someone who can trust and be related. Because we all grew up together. Currently, he's working on the IT. Use college. I was doing HR duty. Some of those things, it's recruitment.
It's something that's gonna be ongoing. So mina ngifuna ukwazi Brian, ngiyabona ngathi yazini vele you wanna have the platform. Man. You've been under a brand, Let's say now you get a platform whereby kunomuntu ofika offer a contract and then yabona ukuthi in this contract there's no exploitation. You get a fair share, he's willing to give you a try.
I got you clearly. There's no what?
Exploitation. He doesn't exploit you. Yeah. Phela amanye ama-deal you find ukuthi he's the one benefiting under your name. He's getting more richer and the poor is getting more poorer. Of which is not the deal that's benefiting the artist. That's why most of the artists go solo, young bam. So man ngathola deal whereby when you look at this deal, it's benefiting you all, and also Naya is benefiting. It's a fair deal, gahle. Would you?
Okay, at the moment our main focus is like to break through.
Yeah.
Like all the rappers in the local hood.
Yeah.
We want to break through, but we feel like our music has a lot to offer. We
To-
feel like our music
yeah,
has a lot
yeah,
to offer
yeah.
because we're versatile and we're unique.
Yeah. Awubambi mic phezulu brami ngikhona yeah.
Because
ukhona
we're
uzwakala kahle.
versatile and we're unique.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think to your question.
Yeah.
To your questions.
Yeah. It's
if
a
the
yes
deal
or no.
Can come,
Yeah.
If the deal can benefit us.
Yeah.
And we feel like we can maybe try to make arrangements to benefit both of the dealers.
Yes.
Us
Yes.
and the dealer and the person who came with the deal to us.
Yes.
Ngayithatha leyo deal. Because we're hungry, we're starving.
Yeah, that's true.
We're
That's
doing
true,
this,
my
we're
guy.
not doing this for fun.
Yeah.
So I've got one last question, Brazonas. If ever you were to do a collaboration, engethanda le question. Who would you like to ukusebenza naye like ngikhuluma ngama brand lawo amakhulu. Who would you like to ningathanda ukusebenza nobani?
Like ama-brand la amakhulu la.
Yeah, ngikhuluma ngama artists amakhulu. Yes. Ngoba lo muntu uzobayibukele le episode ufuna ukuthi ayazi ukuthi kunamajita abafuna ukusebenza nami laba khona.
I'm not gonna lie.
Kahle kahle singasebenza ngabantu aba like upcoming artists. Abaqhamuka manje yabo.
Not people who are there already.
Kodwa umuntu esingasebenza naye. I think umuntu nayo is willing ukuthi sipush.
Yeah, to push us, like to collab tours with us.
Njoba simfeatureisha yena.
Yeah. So
nina kungaba
banganthola phi abantu like lo ntuze cell phone number or anything. Do you guys do you mind ukuthi ni share those information?
Yeah. Like we have Instagram handles. Like my name on Instagram handle is Kela World, which is like my name. My name is Yamkela. So I use the name Kela World for my account.
Okay.
Because I don't use it like to only push my music.
Yeah.
I even show my private lifestyle, but not like I'm showing what I do each and every day. Or
yeah.
I just show how I feel. Everything that I do is not about music only. It's about my life and sharing how I feel.
Yeah. Manje ngifuna ubuza wena Razo ngale Child's Murder. The album, what was the inspiration behind the album? And the album ipusha kanjani? Bokunobo phalela kunomuntu obekakubulalela ingane or kwenzakaleni?
Like emyamdana ukuthi every time I think about this or your music ngicabanga ukuthi siyaphumelele sama out. So it's to achieve what I want. Like Child's Murder, ngisayingane like I always think ukuthi whatever I'm doing or thinking I'm going for it.
Yeah, you're gonna murder it.
I'm going to murder it.
Like everything. Manje ngifuna ukwazi mina ne one last question. Hey, my producer wamazongishaya. Are you guys representing yourself nonke? Are you a group or everyone is working individually? Do you have an album ni nonke so or kwamanje you still have individual music?
I was still working on it. Yeah.
Or you're working on something together?
Yes. Ivala mlomo. We was actually performing. You didn't see us performing right now.
Sorry, my guy. We
the squad drill.
Sorry. You know, guys, we also still an upcoming podcast, Sakula Naganjan, and I'm wishing you guys all the best. As a black child, I'm happy that you guys are pushing. They're busy stealing out there. And you guys are going out there. You are go-getters. God bless your hustle, my guys.
And God bless your hustle too. At least there's something in move out. Local podcast. And put in a great.
Danko. Okay, we're gonna keep in touch. Masenino music kahle senipopile kahle siyahlangana
Dangerous.
You part of 101 family now. Ngiyabonga
Yes,
abafethu.
101. Shout out.
Danko. Hallelujah, we're back again. This is your favorite host, your boy Tasco, coming live from MM4 Wamashukawash. We have a new guest, Manele Shabalala from Eta Radio. Eta Kurtman.
Eta, Hamanda.
I'm Nandwena.
I'm Kren.
Yeah. Namhlanje, we are about to learn something new, guys. We're about to learn how to present. So take skills. Nifunde something. Okay? Yeah, Abraham. Fere ubabshabalala uphuma kuphi and nobhizi ngani ubabshabalala.
Alright, so wokumuntu sengizwile lapha ekhaya ubanele Shabalala igama nesibongo ngizalele nje hayi kude kakhulu njengoba sikamanje
Yes.
So yeah, I think busy right now is actually building the township's voice, which is actually Eta Radio, the township's first voice.
Okay.
And obviously, we have to be in every single township.
Yes.
And
yes.
And even with the name Nakona, it's so universal.
Yes.
Hence Nakona, even Nakona comes in with the Eta Radio, and we're all about spreading the township's first voice, and then also empowering ama venues corner in around the Kasi, empowering people.
Yes,
and
yes.
Nakhona even the fact that I'm even here on the podcast. Abantu abaningi bezoqathi kanjani mfethu? Kanjani mfethu?
Kanjani manje?
Ngeke mfethu usebenzele uNandos wena usuvela kaPedros.
Yes. Kanjani manje? Kanjani?
But again, it's fine. There's no beef. Sorry for the pun. But there's no beef. We're all good. It's the same media and it is in.
We've got Soul in the house. So radio Eta Radio, you just as you mentioned ukuthi radio eKasi, from which Kasi le lawo empower corner, and then the stations akhona si placed kuphi nendawo.
All right. So I will say this very clearly. Eta Radio is for all townships.
Okay.
And Gusho logo because even our mission and vision, it's all about empowering Amalogishi across the board. Yes, we're starting with South Africa. And that's what we're focusing.
Okay.
The idea is to grow any township. But again, in this current context, of course, you need to start somewhere. Sikhona la, Kamash. Say police station. Mawungena nje Kamash. Silanga left. Empela somakhelane police station. So masabe sithi usukesela umphathi umphathi.
Oh, sekalapha.
Hayi ke right. Yeah, loyo. So siqale khona lapho sabona ukuthi etemnandi nakhona starting with uKamashu. It's an area which, of course, kune history, ne? And the history yakhona ibingalungiseki. So mangithi ibingalungiseki it's because siyaqhubeka sayilungisa. The fact silana manje Kamashu ebusuku lesikhathi. Umuntu ongalazi ikhasi will be like during a location.
Badlala ngengozi lapho. Laba badlala ngengozi lapho. Yeah, I get you.
The fact it's good equipment and nayibuka le street.
Yes.
Equipment expensive. Bafika abantu who are expensive. And then saba grand. Sayenza into emele senze la. And saqhubeka. So the idea behind it is to push iKasi, showing ukuthi we have entrepreneurship living here. We have abantu who can actually make a difference. And we need to become the change that we actually envision for Indao to actually become. And hence, the idea was actually to breathe that into life and then open up Pavlo, become the medium of communication across the board. Understand she has way more to offer.
Oh yes, that's true. That's true. Yeah.
On TV,
Yes.
And then my question is that how do you motivate umuntu mhlambe osafuna mhlambe ukufana nawo osazayo I want my buwa now athi okay it's fine yasini I want to see myself like this guy or doing this, understand? Especially what I know is that especially on this field in Guyo
radio
you guys you have Gubanama bad influence. And some people will say opposite things to you guys. How do you guys overcome that? And then how do you guys keep on going and say, okay, it's fine. This is what we do. Understand?
Because I always look back and look at where I am. I'm like, Manelula. But on a serious note, the fact that umuntu seyibonile elapho and they've envisioned, they've already prophesized, and they've already seen the future. The rest is up to them. That's half the work. So ngamanyama sengisho la ukuthi kunabantu who never see themselves amounted to anything, unfortunately. And until an external force comes in, they say say, Bob,
wake up.
This is what you can achieve. And then they shift. Sometimes they don't. But the fact that it's actually coming from inside, it's very important because it departure points, it becomes very true. Like
that's the difference now.
It becomes very true when it comes from within. It becomes very true, and it's half the job done. There's always going to be obstacles. All right. So for me, it's all about keeping the vision alive. When you wake up in that morning, yes, you might feel a little bit tired. We all do.
Yes.
I did not get to a point in time It's every day I'm energized. No, there's times. There's times like it's gone. Hey, as it's in. Hey, Mandela, open door kancane. 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Yet I still get up and get what needs to get done.
Yeah.
And I also it's also about having people who are way ahead of you, motivating you. Don't wish upon what they currently have. Kuba bukhuni makuthi mina la ngihlezi khona ngesikhathi sithi sona manje. Ngithi excel. How do I amount to wealth? Elon Musk.
Oh yes.
Well.
Yeah. What?
Kodwa, it's the ability to say, okay, he made it there. Lo mfethu wasuka la eMzansi wafika elentuzeni eAmerica almost with nothing. Almost. Yes, nama nuances ahlukile, stepping stone behlukile, sharp. Okay, that's fine. But you need to have abantu obukela kubona. Khona umuntu oyi short term. Khona umuntu oyi short term lentuzeni. What's the word? Elahamba. Role model. My bad. Role model. Then khona medium term. There's a long term. But it's not far-fetched.
Yes.
So here's I look at Elon Musk, number one. Sharp, long term. But I'm not even there in the millionaires. And then my question also is it only about money? In my case, the answer is no. There's also an impact element. The impact element catapults you to a different trajectory. And that's critical for me in a personal. So in simple terms, before ngithathe le show lena ubingathi ubanele featuring it's simple yet not so simple. Number one, have role models. Number two, have a goal to match up with the role model. Those two can interchange. That's fine. All right. Number three, make a positive impact within the scope you currently work in. So mawuthi wena uthanda ukwakha. What are you doing that's different to impact the lives of labantu who actually are impacted by what you do? Because that also breathes in life. Mawuthi seku-rough. And ngiyaba rough guys. Mase ngivula amafile ngingaxakeka nalokuthi. Because that's how I'm still standing. But what I mean to say is it gets rough. Your departure points cannot be only monetary value. You need to feed the soul. And once you know exactly what you want and you're clear on your vision and your purpose, you will always get up and go. That's what's important.
Mina, you sound like you've got a very, very strong background. Do you have a background here, radio? Have you worked in a radio station? Or what is your background? Where, for you to think you are able to do something, you need to be convinced. And also yourself, personal, you need to be convinced, hey, I can do something. Do you have a background? You've worked in a radio station? Or what is your background in terms of this industry?
This is going to be so much fun, huh? This is going to be so much fun. I have, in all honesty, prior to what I've done now, almost zero experience. 0% experience.
In radio,
I'd gone in for interviews. So an interviewer for a product it's different versus when you are behind the mic. And you are leading the conversation. It's different. Never mind owning it. So the answer to that is no. I did not have experience. By the grace of a higher power. What happened was I was brought into a venture and into a radio station by a fellow colleague. You actually have an acumen for speaking. A way
you do. Now you
do. A way of referring and actually outlaying certain statements in a way that actually land.
Yes.
So I might say the simplest of things, but somehow it just slaps different. You see? Exactly. So with that being said, I embarked on the journey and I said I'm going to walk it. And I have experience within corporates. I've worked with multi-billion rand companies. Worked in the forefront of it, developing, and my core niche is actually marketing and brand management.
So when you work there, we are facilitator across the board.
Oh, this is what sales does. Oh, it's what legal does.
Yes.
Oh, mama,
yes.
that's market. That's your
Yeah.
Oh, you're building a brand. Is what you need to do.
Yes.
What is PR? All of that. And communications. How do you facilitate a meeting? I was fortunate enough to be in that position and gifted enough to have the acumen and the ability to actually do it. And from then on, I leaned towards those strengths and departed from my strengths and said, what can I do which I love doing that actually makes a difference? And luckily, the universe spoke back and said, there's radio, it's a medium. Now I can do my branding, I can do the marketing, I can do shifting lives in a positive way, a positive impact to our band.
That's true.
Build up is in. And shout out what is not positive. All of that. So for me now, there was no real experience.
So right now, what is it that ATA is working on right now as we speak? Like, what project do you guys have in the?
I love the question.
Yeah.
There's a brief in fact. There's a brief. I feel like somebody gave you a brief. Like that's a very important question.
No,
from TP.
So currently, what has transpired? Anybody who's been following us from the get-go for about 2 years.
Okay.
I've decided to go ahead and change the entire brand. So taking charge and doing everything. I decided to change the entire trajectory of E-Company. And there's a reason for this. The reason being, we're a digital world. And the adoption of e-technology, we are barely scratching the surface. We are literally barely scratching the surface. If I ask people who spend and go check GPT, they're going to tell me the simplest of things. And if I ask somebody in America what spends and check GPT, it's still in the conversation. And ATA Radio, it's all about being digital first. So what we've done now is we said, let's go back to our value sets.
Yes.
It's not only about being online. In fact, you can switch off online for a short while. Re-engineer, recarve yourself, redefine yourself. Then you can repurpose and actually rebrand and reposition yourself out there again. So what we're doing now is very simple. We are actually rebranding. Right now we're in that pause menu. And we are still in socials under ATA Radio ZA. Go to Instagram, ATA Radio ZA, Slandela. You're gonna see where are we going. And it's all about being fully on digital. There's a lot of stuff we're actually doing now, but we are rebranding. I even moved logo. We're at the left. To a sense.
Uyibeke la phakathi bakwazi ibona kahle.
Ngishaya isifuba. It's all about that.
So one last question, my brother. E-Station Senu, do you guys have presenters? Do you guys, where are you in terms of human resource? Where are you guys as a radio station?
I just don't know who it is. This is a good question again. So, departing back from saying we are rebranding. Currently, what we did was we said we're gonna, because of the trajectory we're taking, we had to start from scratch. It's not an easy conversation to have with yourself, especially as an entrepreneur. You have thousands upon thousands of people following you. And almost millions across the board, because we're not just local. Being online, we had people from Europe listening to us, people from America listening to us, North Africa, and to rebrand is a hard decision. So currently, when it comes to human resource, we are actually in the search of people who can anchor. We are currently in search of people who can anchor. Talk before industrial revolution. People who are actually pioneers in the industries. So Mawuti, we as us.
The platform is all yours.
Platform is there. Go to ATA Radio ZA. Instagram. You will see a post on Alapo. Like, Uzobon. Opportunities right there. Like, this is the most opportune time to be even watching your podcast, because the fact that you're here, I don't think he puts.
I don't
think he puts.
Mr. Shabla, sorry to cut you short. ukhuluma nawe, like I can hear ukuthi you have a rich information that you can share with us, and there's more that we can learn from you, yabona. So angazi ukuthi we need more time. Sidigite kahle le ndaba because lo sekasithontshela ne-show yenza yakhe, we've got more to learn, and I think nabantu emakhaya they still got more to learn. Bafunde more kuwe. So shout out to you and what you are doing, man. It's very lovely. I wish you all the best, and nami ngathi ngizofuna umsebenzi ngizobashiya phansi lapho. Ngizobashiya phansi.
Asithontshi singasebenzisana.
No, I thanks a lot, Mr. Shaba. Thanks for blessing us with your presence, man, and we love you a lot. I'll be tuning into your radio. Station one.
AITARadio.com.
Oh, it's still live. It's not on the like 90 something point. What?
Oh, okay.
I will go back. Yeah. We are digital first.
Oh, hey.
Oh.
Yeah.
We are into digital world now. Where? What's
kunelinye ibhodlela langibiza lapha.
Nawusuthula ithi yabona
athi ngime.
Uyaphapha lo. Wena uyaphapha wena.
No, le khane lekulu lakhuluma ngalo liphethe information ukuthi we are into the digital world. Wena.
I'll be a subscriber and I'll be a listener.
Ideclana kanje ni CV,
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks a lot, Mr. Shabela, for blessing us with your presence. Hallelujah. Your boy Tasco, we're back again. Mr. Zulu, sibuyela again. Mr. Zulu, you are here with us again. Akakambi yethu ukhamba nomama uNoma Buthelezi, the spokesperson we MK. Hallelujah, mama. Oh, MK Youth League. Oh, the Youth League. Oh, okay. Now it makes sense. Oh, the national one. Oh, when you are the one way Youth League. Oh, okay. So what's the difference between a spokesperson and say national and youth league? You just around youth, or what's the difference?
The difference is that as we, in the province of KwaZulu-Natal.
Yes.
And then you'll have the spokesperson of the national.
Yeah.
National covers all out of these 9 provinces.
Yeah. Tell you Sunday, the mama, ne? Yeah.
All of this, of which you know.
Yeah.
Mpumalanga, KwaZulu-Natal, Eastern Cape.
Yes.
Bloemfontein, Cape Town, and so on.
Yeah.
Okay, Western Cape, not Cape Town.
Yeah.
So I'm the spokesperson of the province of KwaZulu-Natal. It's Fundazwe.
Yes.
KwaZulu-Natal, la ohlala khona nawe.
Yeah.
And of the youth league.
Yeah.
So Unhlamulo Ndlela is the spokesperson of the mother body.
Nationally, now it makes sense.
We are under the MK Party, national, and we are the wing of the MK Party.
Provincially, okay. Yeah. So, Monga briefly, what's the aim of the MK? Why Nivu say a new party that's called MK? I believe MK was, people were saying it's ANC light, it's coming under the ANC, it was under the ANC. What's the aim? Why Nikale MK Party?
Okay. The aim of Umkhonto Wesizwe Party, it was Umkhonto Wesizwe Party. It's a political party that was formed by President Jacob Zuma on the 16th of December, when nobody was expecting it. We were also like all ears, all eyes. What is this old dude is gonna say to us? And then boom, he said, "I'm going to vote for the MK Party." We're like, okay, what is MK Party? And then he said, MK Party is the party that is going to support everyone in South Africa, black people, white people, etc., etc. Businessmen, everything. But all in all, it's all about traditional leaders. It's all about traditional healers. It's all about bringing our land back. It's all about empowering our economy. It's all about women empowerment. It's all about everything that includes poverty in our country, unemployment, and all in all. Yes. Because, you know, in our country, in South Africa, when you reach the age of 35, they say in the constitution, they say you can't be employed when you're over 35. Of which is wrong, because You could be doing your master's degree while you are 37 years. You could be doing your doctorate while you are 39 years. But then they will say you won't be employed. So who will employ you while you're still studying? So MK Party, the Party is all about employing everyone, even if you are 50, even if you are 60. As long as you are strong enough to work, as long as strong enough to lead, you are going to be employed. Yes, so that is all about bringing the land back to the people. Where we stay in the Durban, in the Durban area, we can see Uguti, we have lots of informal settlements where all the people come to Durban to look for the jobs, and then it becomes crowded. So we need a land to, to resolve that issues. So in order for us to get those, to resolve those issues, we need to involve Amakosi, of which they are the ones who are also in this thing of the land. Because Emakaya, if you, yes, where I come from, there's Inkosi, there's Induna, who are the people who are compiler now, how do you get the land? And then you get, when you come to Induna, you get the land, and then you will comply. Who are you to get the land in our area? So nowadays, if you stay in Durban, we regard you as someone who comes from other provinces and someone who's so we need to get land for those people in order for them to be secured, stable, not for our city Durban or not our city crowded from abanye abantu abaqhamuka kumanye provinces. Instead, Eastern Cape, we have abantu abaningi that comes from the Eastern Cape. Those people, yes, that comes from the Eastern Cape, abantu bethu, they come to the city of Durban to ukufeza amaphupho abo. So they need to have indawo yokuhlala secured, not ukuthi when they come to our city behlale on the informal settlements emjondolo emkhukwini. So it becomes crowded. So badinga ukuthi labo bantu bebe neindawo zokuhlala kanjalo nabantu abaseyindaweni ezisemakhaya abangagxiviziwe gxivizwa istembu, title deeds and stuff, ukuthi bebe nendawo, indawo kube yakho, indawo yamakhosi. Thina ngoba sikhule emakhaya, indawo esikhula kuzona indawo zakamakhosi. Mina nje ngikhule endaweni yakankosi yakithi, inkosi yakwaZulu. So ekhaya sinethathe deed yethu, sinomhlaba nje about 10 hectares.
You know, mama, abantu bana this impression ukuthi MK, abantu ama leader we MK, they originally from ANC, right? You know ukuthi reputation ka ANC injani, right? So now people are skeptical, people are scared, people are suffocating. South Africans are suffocating right now. People are being taken out, they are being ripped out of their human rights right now. Because if ever you staying without employment due to the company being affected by issues, load shedding and stuff, like people are starving, people are suffocating right now. My question is, what will MK do differently right now? Because people are scared right now. We're going to vote for MK as we speak, right? But people are skeptical that MK leaders are from ANC. What will make them different? And what is it that made them think, Uguti, let's move away from this party because of the toxicity of it? Because of it is toxic, I'll be honest with you. Let's move away from this and start our own party. What will be different right now? Like, I want us to be honest, and again, you are a youth league, right? Meaning you are the future of MK, right? And then there's a time whereby I saw a video whereby people are pleading the ANC Guti, can you remove old people from management? These people, they are too old to understand social issues.
We cannot run away from the fact that most of our MK members are from the ANC, of which we call them Gwakoko. Fortunately, so I don't come from Gwakoko.
Okay.
I was the student of at duty, ne?
Yeah.
The only time I served Wakoko is when I was a SASCO babe. You know, we used to rep up our shirts, like, you know, go out to nice cars.
Yeah.
I didn't even have a membership because I remember I contributed 50 rand for a membership of the MK, of the NC. In my mind, of the SASCO.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, the guy of whom I was contributing that money to, he shot my money. All thanks to that guy, because I never had a membership of the NC. So I didn't belong, and I don't belong to the NC. Going forward, we cannot run away from the fact that most of our members from the MK party are from the ANC, are from the Inkatha Freedom Party, are from the AFF, are from the Action SA, are from the DA. Reason being, it's because people have been abused. Our people have been bullied.
Yes.
Mostly by our ruling government party, of which is the ANC.
Yes.
ANC bullied us to the core.
Yes.
That is why now President Jacob Zuma said on the 16th of December, I am going to be campaigning for the Umkhonto weSizwe party.
Yes.
That is where he announced the party, his party.
Okay.
Because MK party is all about Zuma. If Zuma didn't announce the MK party, we wouldn't be here.
Exactly.
The reason why we're here is because of him when he announced that party on the 16th of December. So where I'm going to with this is because we have many members that are coming from Gwakoko. We're no longer calling it ANC anymore.
Gwakoko.
Because the people of Gwakoko were also unhappy. The people of Inkatha were also unhappy. The people from EFF were all other parties were also unhappy. And then when Zuma announced his party, all of those unhappy people, they came and say, we are joining Umkhonto
weSizwe, yes.
Fortunately, I was not part of those people because I was never be a member of the ANC. I was never be a member of EIFP. And I come from Ulunde, Mahlabathini, where induna yakwaPhindangeme, uPrince Umangosi Buthelezi, where he comes from.
Angimazi uphuma kuphi?
Umangosi Buthelezi.
Yes.
Ulunde, Mahlabathini eNkonjeni. That is where I'm from. He's in my area. But I never voted for Inkatha. I was never a member of Inkatha. So why? Ask your question why.
Because uyabona ukuthi ANC ayina future.
We are not on the ANC party now, we are on the IFP party.
On the IFP,
Okay.
Okay.
On the IFP part now, I'm the Buthelezi. Prince.
La uphuma khona iPrince, yes.
Where I come from, I'm supposed to be voting for the IFP.
The IFP,
but I never voted for IFP. Rather, I voted for ANC. Under President Jacob Zuma's governance only.
Okay.
I never voted after that.
Okay.
So we came to support Umkhonto as a party because of Jacob Zuma's
approach,
leadership.
Jacob
Zuma was the only leadership or presidency that was able to lead us or to guide us or to assist us or to help as in South Africa at large. Under Jacob Zuma's presidency, we were able to study under Jacob Zuma's Foundation Trust. We were able to get jobs. I was one of the millionaires that was under Jacob Zuma's
leadership.
Not under his wing.
While you're still on that, his cassette is very limited. I just want to say this. People are saying people were happy under the presidency of Jacob Zuma because Jacob Zuma was working mostly with black people. And the corruption was very easy because there were a lot of black people that I'm just saying something that was there. Corruption was there. Abantu abamnyama bebadla while Jacob Zuma khona. So njengoba ngene this guy we vendor uRamaphosa, he's working with the Oppenheimers. Now they shift the thing from the black people. Now he's eating with the white people. I think that's why most of the black people were happy under the presidency of Jacob Zuma because of the benefits they were getting from him. Not saying it's wrong because you can't call it corruption when it doesn't fit you, and call it a connection when it suits you. So mina, I'm just happy ukuthi he was helping the previous disadvantage. And then now I voted for the ANC while it was under the government of Lukanchi. But omunye umuntu angavela with another point of view. Angazi bofuna ukusho something Mr. Zulu. Ngathi yakshisa le.
Sorry guys.
Yeah.
I take a great interest on the one that you asked.
Yeah.
But I'm very happy on the perhaps on the third last line.
Yeah.
You answered yourself.
Yeah.
Because when you asked the question to the lady,
Yeah.
I pinched her and I said, you know what?
Yeah.
Let me take on this one.
Yeah.
But then again, towards the end of the question, you said.
I did answer
you
it.
said, you answered yourself because you said, that is what they say. So
Yes.
my answer to you was going to be saying,
Yeah.
who are they saying? Who,
Yeah.
I mean, who are the people that you are saying they are saying?
Yeah.
You know, and she made a very remarkable statement. And she said,
Yeah.
back then under the leadership of Jacob Zuma,
Yes,
she was
yes, yes.
surviving.
Yes.
I don't want to,
Yes, yes,
call it by
yes.
the bar or by the
Yeah,
tape.
yeah,
But I can
yes.
attest to the fact that even myself,
Yeah.
and even to the, out of the 10 guys that you might interview, out of the 10 guys, 8 or 9 will tell you that under the leadership of Jacob Zuma,
Yes.
the situation in South Africa was survivable.
That's true.
But
That's a fact.
recently,
Yeah.
it's very dire.
That's
So
a
I'm attesting
fact.
to what she's saying.
Yeah.
And I'm very happy. I will not say no more because I'm very happy that you were able to answer yourself.
Yeah.
That people were saying.
Yeah.
Now,
Yeah.
maybe the question is, who are these people?
Yeah. Yes.
Because recently, 2 days ago, I want to
Yeah.
help you on this one.
Yeah.
2 days ago, there was once again a rand manipulation that arose
Yeah.
from the court's judgment.
Yes, I saw that
Mr.
one.
Jacob Zuma
I saw
was
that
a
one.
pretense,
Yes,
you know?
yes, I saw that
So,
one.
exactly.
Yeah.
So, we as young people,
Yeah.
to address this,
Yeah.
we as young people, we need to ensure that we do not derive
Yes.
little theories that serves the masters. You know what I'm saying? I will just stop it right here. It's your
Yeah.
interview. But
Yeah.
I am here.
Yeah.
I'm not representing MK. I'm just representing myself.
Yeah.
My last question.
Yeah.
Bengina question now too.
Yeah.
Bengithi what is your opinion when what do you think endaba yokuthi nina as youth ni recognize in a party uyabona we recognize abanikazi beparty abo Mr. Jacob Zuma, right?
Yeah,
But
yeah.
we should consider them as our mentors going forward,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
But they should allow youth ingene
Yes.
iyenze ize ngama we are youth they've got ideas, bruh. Youth got ideas.
A lot
Youth
of
they are
ideas.
moving.
Yeah.
Youth they are into action.
Yeah.
But abantu abadala they need to step away and then
Yeah.
mentore they groom us going
Yes,
forward.
yes.
So Mina, my question was, did you guys look into it, or is there any approach towards that? Do you guys have an approach towards that, or have you considered this, Uguti, guys, be our mentors and groom us going forward so that we can take the party forward?
In simple terms, abantu abasha babe netulo eParliament more than the old people.
Abantu abasha, I will say that they really don't care about this parliamental thing.
Yeah.
Abantu abasha, we as a youth leaguer.
Yeah. Cela usebenzise lene.
As a youth leaguer.
Yeah.
Who is leading in the
Yeah, you are
province?
very clear now.
And
Yeah.
interim
Yeah.
is like a short period of time.
Yes.
I've been leading for like 3 months or 4 months now.
Okay.
I've seen abantu abasha benza izinto zabo. We as abantu abasha, we don't care about these parliamental things where you go around with blue lights.
Yeah.
You know, getting paid
Yeah.
that certain amount.
That's stipend. Yeah.
Our aim is to unite the ground. We are on the ground.
Yeah.
Fortunately, so I just wiped my shoes.
Yeah.
Today we are coming from Utsugela region. Utsugela region is combined by Mnambiti, Langalibalele, etc. We're coming there. We had a program there.
Yes.
Our program was a success. It was full of our old people, grannies, our youth, our everything. Women's
That's what
league.
we
It was
need as
it
a
was
country
full.
right now.
It was more than about 1,000 people. We came from Durban. We went there. we attended the program until to the end. What we saw there was marvelous.
Yes.
So that shows us that it's not only about abantu abasha, it's
Yes.
also about abantu
Yes.
abadala
Yes.
who are suffering. Our grannies. We went to the
Yes.
tent to greet the old
Old ladies, yeah.
them old masses.
Yeah.
It was wonderful. I wanted to even cry because I'm a very emotional person. But because now it's not only about abantu abasha, but based on abantu abasha,
Yes.
it's them abazokwazi to save all these people because
Yes.
those
Yes.
older people
Yes.
umabela phayana on those
Yeah.
tents,
Yeah.
they're actually presenting their grandchildren's,
Yeah.
their whatsoever.
Yes.
So
Yes.
what I'm trying to say to you is, as a youth league thina yomkhonto wesizwe asikho kwindaba yeParliament, just sikhiphe nje lapho we are not there on the parliamentary list ukuthi ngiyohlala eParliament ngihambe nama blue lights. If ngifuna blue lights mina ngunoma ngisangawuthola nje ngila ngiqhamuke la kwamashu kuyimanje nje ngihamba ngawo la. So it's not a problem indaba ya blue lights. It's not new to us. What we want is to gather these all ground forces. We have a ground that is strong and solid as a youth league. If we are doing our programs, let's say we are going to Ward 46. Ward 46 is here. Connect Ndlovu.
Yes.
If we are going there, sigatherisha onke ama forces. Without the blue lights, without everything.
Wow.
Siyafika lapho, we gather all abantu akubi youth league kuphela. Kuba nje umphakathi wonke. Ufike usengamele and we iprogram siyivala. Kanjalo. Size thina as a province sihambela ama region onke 11. We have 11 ama regions.
Yes.
Siyawahambela out of our pockets. We are not getting paid. This is a voluntary program. You know when uma wenza into oyithandayo, wenza into yomuntu. Into oyenza from inhlizweni. So konke lokho sikwenza from our own hearts. Ngothando lwethu and we're doing it. And ngalesikhathi sikwenza ever since siqalile ngoDecember baba pronouncing we are going stronger. It's very amazing.
You're gathering masses now.
We're gathering masses, like our masses are just.
I've seen MK in action, bruh. I'll be honest, and I'm not being in favor of any party. I've seen MK in action, both from their leadership and also in the youth. That is what I'm saying. That is what I'm saying. If we need energy, let's see bonayo, and we pray and we hope good things change, and then gonna be discouraged. This party is still going far. I'm tired of the way you push on a corner, and go out there, guys. Make us proud. Save in South Africa. Right now in South Africa, we just need a miracle. Now we need a miracle. We don't know how.
There is MK. That miracle is MK.
And we know MK is a ruler like KZN. So don't forget the people.
KZN is gone.
Don't forget the people you are working with.
On another provinces. KZN is just gone. INC must forget. INC must forget. EFF must forget. KZN is done.
Tina, our platform is here. Sizokubuza sikbize sithi mama ushwile wena what you won't forget. Kwenzakalani namhlanje?
Definitely I won't come back.
Mama, thank you very much for blessing us with your presence. Siyabonga nawe Mr. Zulu. Podcast 101 with the chance, guys. Thank you. Hallelujah. Welcome guys, it's still live at Podcast 101 with the chance, coming to you live from MMA Kawash KwaMashu. And we have our guest. Sawubona baba.
Bhuti ninjani kodwa?
Ngiyaphila wena.
Ngiyaphila bhuti wami.
Abantu abakubukele bafuna ukwazi ukuthi ubhuti ubani ngegama.
Igama siyabonga isibongo wakanyandeni. Oqhamuka khona la eNewlands West, okhulele khona la kaMashu.
Yes.
Wafunda khona la ezikoleni zakhona la kaMashu okuyithola amandla ngaphezulu kwethu.
Yebo baba.
Waphinde futhi wafunda eRiverdene la. Engiqedile khona umatric wami kuseNewlands West. Njengamanje la ngihlala khona.
Hlala eNewlands West manje.
Yes baba.
Okay. Manje yini le product eyiphusha ko Prime? Ngibona yengathi uzosika la.
Okay, iproduct engiphushayo. I-product abayibiza ngo-Nano Liquid. Ngizoyiqala nje ngoba babiza ngo-Nano Liquid. So u-Nano Liquid kube yi-liquid yama skin protector efikile ebekakhulu eGoli. ngokusuka kwami la eDurban ngiye eGoli ngase ngifica ngale igenge eyenza ama skin protector so ngase ngiwathatha ngiwabunga ngathi no lento I can create it to something else because ngokuyibona kwami it's more of opening ama opportunities youth ngaphandle engasebenzi engana matric engani but youth ekwazi usekhaya mingabe yasebenza ifike no plastic ukuthi ngibuye kuyosebenza mina ekhaya yes so uneno liquid is just a liquid a hard coating liquid eqinisa amafoni which is screen protect okay lento kanjani na uneno liquid umuntu wesithathu sino gorilla sine tempted tempted okuyile ngiyiphethe njengamanje kusho ukuthi this is tempted igorilla ile abayifanga ngomshini wathi uVodacom le ngathi uplastic o transparent okuncibilikayo so ihluka kanjani na because omunye umuntu uyabuza ukuthi wena uhluke ngani screen protector sakho
kunamanye ama screen protector
ifake le yakho nofika nayo so la isehlukana khona yonke into iyafana but isihluka ngesimo sokuthi iyiphi strong kunenye you understand so igorilla it's a very good screen protector esi right this is transparent ekwazi ukusifaka as plus as I've said kube khona i-tempted ne liquid so igorilla la ehlupha khona it's strong but iyagqwala mengikhuluma ngokugqwala kuyinto ehambe ingabonakali ukuthi ehambe ingabonakali efonini
ngathi ngena umoya ngaphansi
sibanento lo ukuthi ayisabona ngaze ngayikhipha ukuze ifeme ibe bright again amasifutha ngala one right sibe ne tempted okuyilekade ngikhuluma ngayo njengamanje tempted it's a very good screen protector si right and bas recommend but la sengishaya khona kakhulu ila kuthenini uma ufaka i-tempted wathatha ifoni wayifaka kwindawo evalelekile ewarm iyaqala iyavokomala iba nama map so if iba nama map kwenzakalani isiyimbi le nto leyo uma ukhipha i-tempted inama lines alamanzi amancane kade ebusy engena ngaphansi kwefoni yakho uthi ufaka usuyihlikihla kodwa ayikho bright so in order to be bright kumele wenze njani take it out and go and pay another 70 rand or 100 rand to put another screen protect within 2 months or 3 months we understand so uneno liquid la ngimthanda khona ke la fika khona efika ukuthi ayivale uneno liquid uyinto engabonakali ekhona efonini njobe ngisho ukuthi i-hard coating liquid so njobe i-hard coating liquid iqinisa the original screen so I wouldn't recommend you ukuthi uze ngimina with your fake screen osifake kobhuti bangaphandle you understand mase mina uthi ngizokufakela uneno liquid okay lokho angikudingi uneno udinga the original screen right so uneno uhluke phi kulento kade ngiyibala uneno uavoid i-early scratch avoid i-early damage efana ne-LCD kokukhisela ko-ink efonini
okay
right uneno liquid awugqwali uhlezi ubright ifoni bafu uhlezi ubright uhlezi ubright uneno liquid so kuyinto abantu abangayiboni kodwa isikukhona efonini so la uneno liquid omnandi khona kuyinto i-scratch ongasitholi easy njengokuthi uthola ku-tempted uneno liquid wenza ifoni yakho ihlezi i-on bright all the time you understand so imnandi lapho ukuthi yonke into iyafana but la ihluka khona ihluka ngokuthi yona ayi-scratch kalula ifana nokia uyifake nama-coins but ihlezi icwebezeli ifoni wethenga esitolo
manje bafo sorry to cut you short phela icon uyashiya phela manje sifuna ukwazi thina let's say ufakile the nano one yours is the nano one angithi and then yenzeka ukuthi ifoni yami yawa does it also break like the other screen protectors bese ngiyayikhipha ngifaka lesesinye or sakho uyifaka one it device wire
okay uyifaka once is device wire my brother
ayiphuki yona
ayiphumi but into ebaluleke kakhulu ngihlezi ngitshela abantu ngaphandle ukuthi into engabonakala efonini yebo kodwa into ebalulekile you must always have i-pouch efonini the pouch is very very important efonini when i-pouch ungayibonga ukuthi ayibalulekile kanti ayikho into engafi the weakest point of ifoni yikhona so even if ufaka i-tempted even if ufaka igorilla even if ufaka uneno but you must have your pouch on you definitely you must have your pouch kuwena
on your phone
because the weakest point of ifoni yikhona so once ifoni yakho yaya ngekhona phansi ingekho pouch ufake with any of the screen protect it can cause a damage ingakwazi ukuthi lapho ilimala
ingakwazi ukuthi damage
okay so khona ama brands osebenza nawo sponsors or else
abona mfethu njengoba ngila namhlanje ngifake leli hembe ngilifakile ngingathi ukuthi no one supported me kakhulu but konke bekuamandla engisuka nawo phansi to take lento mhlawumbe uyibonile lapha amandla ukuthi isadness engitholayo mengilale phezulu kwayo ukuze lento ngivuse kancane izibonakala so namhlanje yaqala ngathi iyabonakala ndiyafezeka through ukuthi lamasethi amancane ngikwazi ukuthi without any sponsor but bengikwazi ukuthi ngiyikhuphule
mina ungishilo wazi wangishiya ngisegoli since mina ungishiye goli ngisafuna
ukuthi wafika egoli
ngifuna ukunderstand something. You've discovered this liquid, right?
Yeah.
I want to understand that. Are you working with a liquid, or have you produced a product out of a liquid, or what is ineno? Ineno, is it a liquid, or inkama le uze nalo wavela unema I product yako somewhere lapho ngishi?
Okay. Ngiyabonga kakhulu lapho. Okay. Uneno liquid. It's a liquid. Of which ngithola from Sentine Gold. Right. It come off from Joburg. We saw it from Durban. It's not easy to get in Durban. So it's order from Sentine. So in the look it's just a liquid. And you order from Joburg to here.
Okay.
And as we investigate and I bonds this thing is going very far. To process anything A class.
Okay.
Anything A class.
Competitor
screen
protect.
Protector anything A class. Maybe wash. Maybe book, maybe phone.
Oh, okay. So okay, it's a liquid that you order from Joburg and then you apply on cell phone, or can you apply it in any glass or form of a product, or are you targeting a screen protector when per se, or is it a product that can be applied on every glass product?
Okay. Kele ngicela ungelevathela le question yaseqaleni khona indlela oqale ngayo eqaleni lapho.
Okay. Lokuthi the question was ngifuna ukunderstand ukuthi ineno is it a product whereby I bring my phone, you've got the liquid to apply on my cell phone, or is it a liquid that you've transformed and you have you produced your product out of that liquid? So I wanted to understand what is it that is your liquid,
that you apply on the phone, as we said.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh,
it's
something that
you apply a phone in. You must have your skin protect. It's invisible.
Okay, and then from there, when target yako it's only on cell phones, but you're saying that it can be applied. Go ama glasses, anything that is glass related.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay, ngicela mfethu into one. Any negative impacts kwabanye abantu mhlawumbe bagxeka umuntu aqhamuka athi okay na iphone yami azange yenze the way because remember you advertising yourself. Remember you advertising yourself. Sometimes you find ukuthi my apply lento it doesn't produce when whatever that you've said to the customers, and then how do you protect yourself, or also how do you explain it to the customers through their negative impact that comes to you if ngabe they say ufana udile ngayo? How do you overcome that one?
Thank you my brother. Izime kanjalo mfethu zifikile. Ukuba sebhizinisi akuyona into elula. I've said that. Akuyona into elula. Ngiyabonga mfethu. I was looking for that. So zifikile mfethu ngathini afila ama feedback omsebenzi wami awahlukahlukene. So nami ngolwazi enginalo with investigation engahamba ngayithola la iyaphelela khona. So umuntu akafika ukuthi mengicela ukumapply ifone yakhe. Understand? As I'm saying ukuthi the weakest point of a phone yini? Ikhona without ini.
Pouch.
So umuntu uzomtshela ukuthi njengoba ngikufayela lento le phone yakho. Please go and buy a pouch phone. Because this thing can last you longer.
Only if you respect it.
So only if you respect it.
Our conditions that goes in the product.
So when you uzoyithatha ifone and ufuna ukuthi uyibambe just nje. Understand? Once it fall down, it can have that impact because of your pouch. Understand? So I've said ukuthi ngisho i-10 ungayifaka, but if i-pouch ingekho that's why it's caused the damage here.
Yes. Yeah.
But umuntu uyayibheka wena.
Yeah.
Hayi ngathi ayicrackile.
Yeah.
Because bengifika mina as Mr. Diamond Defense Screen Protector.
Danko Brian.
You know this product ufozaza ngayo la is the new evolution because of we struggling with screen protectors.
Yes.
That one I have to say.
Yes.
This is a new I don't know if it's the right word, but will be our evolution from product. Our problems last now ngama screen protectors. Manje my question to you is you're coming up with a very good product right now. You're coming up with
raise your voice, Baba.
You're coming up with a very good product.
Yes.
My question is, you've got a vision for your business,
yes,
right?
Sir.
Yeah.
What is it? What would it take? Would it take for you to figure lapho khona? Do you need any subsidy? Do you need any help? Or how far are you with your product as we speak right now?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, my brother.
Yeah.
I actually need help, my brother.
Yeah.
Because ngizokuchaza ukuthi from inene liquid.
Yeah.
Then ngayithatha mina ngase ngiyenza Diamond Defense.
Yeah.
Liquid screen protector.
Yes.
We understand.
Yeah.
So ngayibuyisa mina because kuyinto bengifuna ukuyitshala kakhulu ngikwazi ukuthi ngivule amathuba omsebenzi kakhulu to wathi youth ekhona la. So that's why ngithi I need help. So ukuyithatha kwami ngiyenza Diamond Defense because ngangasafuna promoter uneno liquid. Because kwazi uhamba lesi sigaba lesi ukuthi uneno usefuna ungisuwile ukuthi hayibo walube kodwa ungiphi lutho mina. You understand? So I took it to Diamond Defense liquid screen protect. Why I've said Diamond liquid screen protect? Diamond Defense, diamond is something that cannot break easy, cannot get scratched easily. You understand? So that's why it's because diamond can scratch a man. Get scratch.
No more
so now if scratch, obviously scratch. You understand? So I thought ngayenza Diamond Defense. So going back to your question ukuthi kahle kahle ikuphi la engimele ngisize khona. Usizo yes ngadinga my brother. Ukuvula kwami lento ngangivulela ukuthi yes, I'm gonna make a lot of imali and have my customers. But so for me vision yami ukuthi there's a lot of youth engasebenzi.
Yes.
And njengoba kukhona youth engasebenzi, this is something small engadingi.
Yeah.
But edinga ingqondo yakho honest. Yabo. Because now ubudwa ngaphandle bagcola amamonje ngamanje. Diamond Defense akekho emoya. Yabo. Ofuthi nami u70 engudayisa ngayo iTemted. It's the same thing.
Yes.
But inkinga igenge eningi ekhona la emeli support ayikwazi because ekugcineni idinga into eluxury.
You know I think it goes back to advertisement and marketing because I'll be honest nami ngiyacala ukuyizwa lento la bengayazi, right? So manje uyabona i-podcast uyabona le interview ukuthi no there's a product from Diamond Defense Screen Protectors. So what I wanted to understand is where can people go back and get feedback, recommendation, or where can they go to get more information about your product? Where can the people be able to get access to you?
Bakuthola kuphi mfethu if umuntu interested for the product?
Angifukama so far bengakhula ngitholakala khona. So as a businessman I'm willing to think so whenever you call me I always drive no matter what 50 rand I will drive for that because 50 rand mangikhandela 500 rand sekufike kuwena with lot of customers. You understand?
So recognition as well.
Yes, so like ngakhona idinga ukuthi ngibe khona emall. So I need to get one space emall oqala.
So Diamond ngakhona ukuthi mhlawumbe ubheke iscreen lapha yana mhlawumbe and then ushow ama number phone wakho and yonke imniningwane wakho bangotholakala khona. Yes.
Okay, in number.
Oh, this is the
product.
This is the product. Yeah. Okay. Ungasha ama number just in case.
Okay. La ngithola khona izokuxhumana ngakuthola ku TikTok. Ku TikTok it's @ICallNeno. On Facebook it's ICallNeno. Yes, my brother. Number yami it's 060 762 8269. That's my WhatsApp number.
Bafo yazi sibonga kakhulu Prime ne. As masesivala Prime mina ngithanda ukubonga wena Prime yabona because you can see ukuthi the economy le and the party lesphethe like is not providing kunabantwana abancane they fall into crime. they fall into
Sponsor
any
drugs, yes.
So abantu abafana nawe Bram, they don't get recognition and they don't get appreciated for what they do for this part of the community. Uthole into ngale Jozi azange uthi no mina ngihlale eJozi ngenza imali ngiyabayekelela ngale. But you came this way wathatha abantwana abanye wababutha, you try to create employment for bona ubasusa estradini and everything, and that's very good my brother. So ngabe khona mhlambe umuntu obonako oyithanda kineno lekhaya ne, and then uyazibuza ukuthi do you need to learn something or do you need to go to school to use a neno or mhlambe into velo you can just work on it bangeza kuwe and then they learn something from you and then they can open businesses from you.
Yeah, they can just come to me or anyone or willing ukuthi lento ufuna ungenela kuyona and then angangifonela or anything abuza umbuzo ukuthi how do I get this because vele okwami ukuthi ngiyigenerate yande yaziwe ikwazi ukuqhubeka phambili.
Sibonga kakhulu Brian man, yazini into yenza is very beautiful. Umuntu omnyama kavusa umuntu omnyama Brian.
Kunjalo bhuti wami.
Impi is against the poverty, not thina around. So kubalulekile ukuthi sibe abantu abamnyama sivusane and help each other. So thank you very much for what you're doing my brother.
Thank you so much.
You still have a lot of people line up taking them. Okay, there's a demonstration. How to install the nano. Okay, sure.
Anything because maybe when in pairs, the moment I does this, it must have an impact. Understand? So if I can take your phone and I fagile lento, ngizoyenza nje. It can cause a damage.
So thank you very much, man. The product is very beautiful. Make sure you check it out. Hallelujah. We're back again. It's your favorite host, your boy, Tasco. And we're coming to you live from MMA 4. Yeah. Kawash, you guys. And we have the special guest now. He's a designer. Upilani wakakwe. Hola Priam.
Washamba njani?
Hayi mnandi wena.
Angikrend.
Yeah, angijabulele ukubona Priam.
Ngiyajabula namba 4.
Yeah, ugrand mar.
Ngishaba mfethu.
Maybe amaviewers wethu ekhaya bazibuza ukuthi ubani mar upilani wakakwe Priam.
Awupilani wakakwe mfethu. Out njala kamasha lokushina yabo. Intwana nje mfethu ehlanganisa ukotini yabo.
Thank you Priam.
Ukuhlanganisa ukotini. Ngama-terms English. Ungasho ukuthi I'm a fashion designer yabo.
Thank you Priam. Thank you Priam.
Lena ngiqale ekhaya kubaba engifundisa ukuthunga. Ngingakufuni. Ngisukumeza. Bangabuse yabo lo. But yona ndlela engangithola ngayo imali leyo yabo. Because ngama weekend wangiholela.
Oh yes.
Ukuthi ngikwazi ukukhipha ithekeni yami.
Ngicabangela kahle kahle.
Then 2010 nga-enroll DUT.
Yes.
Ngenza clothing management. After that, kuma 2015. Ngibe nemlenze ese-university phela kudlalwa.
So se-DUT,
ngicela 2010 e-DUT. Kwamele ngiqede 2012. Mahla amantombazane, yinhle ne-life.
Yenzani life? Yabalekisa ama-module.
Yangenza ngayi-spider.
Yakuthi uyakwenza ukuthi uzi-introspect.
Ngaba nemlenze yabo. But after that 2015 ngaqeda. And then yakwenzakalani surprise. 2014 ngenza amasudi eDenemi.
Okay.
Aneleta nga-enrolla uMr Price same time.
Oh, what design amasudi?
Amasudi eleta. Same time. uMr Price wangithatha wangifaka i-training yokwenza icathulo.
Oh yes. Oh wow.
After that 2015 hey ngangawuqeda unyaka because bengihlupha.
Ufoza kade akhona phela. Ukuthi uhamba nabo David Dlala, is it David Dlala? Ngisho ukuthi manje ukhuluma nabo David Dlala phela kade ukhona.
He's been in the industry, he's been in the industry. Sakaphuma na ku training hey.
uCloud and Ashes.
Yes.
Wathi wena uSolanje usika Beyonce.
Okay.
Waye facilitator yami.
Yeah.
But mina bengihlupha ne. Bengingamashu la. You get some opportunities but that's what ungawa appreciate.
Yeah.
Embrace but kunento nje
ngalesikhathi afike ngawo
kunomoya nje obambayo nje
akuthola ubhizi
yabona umjida ne ufoza he's well learned uyamuzwa i-reasoning capacity nenkulumo ukuthi hayi la sikhuluma nomuntu olearned
ufundile
nama-relatives ka-Beyonce
uClayton Ashes wayethi ungelusolanje usisika Beyonce yabo lena wayefasi sisihamba lapha eMr Price yabo so I was exposed to abantu abanjalo but ngokuhlupha kwami ngayithola ngingaphandle ngiphuma mina ngoba ngiyahlupha
bakhiphe Mr Price
abangikhiphanga
wazikhipha wena
mina nje mhlawumbe ngangisho usidimoni kodwa nje kwenzeka ukuthi ngivele ngishiye yonke into
yabona it's important as ukuthi mawuqala into uthandaza that one is very important yabona manje sokucabangela amadimoni it's very important ukuthi uthandaza
ube khona nje in between
uzoblema yonke into yabo okay fast forward yabo ngabhala movie 2021 2022 film commissioner support yabo 200,000 ngabhala i-feature film ikhona kuyimanje maye siyishutha ikhona ukuthi kusana ma delay ukuthi kuphume ifunding ye-production okay fine fast forward and I come back to my senses what is my gift and talent
la uqale khona emuva ubuyele emuva manje
back to lapho engiqhamuka khona
la uqhamuka khona kubabe ekhaya
fashion
yes
njengoba nginje
udla ukotini kanje
asishayela i-360 lapho
awusukuma ushaya i-360 bakubone
kahle bakubone kahle
ushaya ngezwiphu from head to toe
yabo even ngisho
uwe
wonke bracelet yami
uyibiza ngale bracelet
i-bracelet
ayiwe
uwe yonke nje ngiyaqala ngiyaqeda ngiyavala ngiyavula
danko baba
uyabona task wena I've realized yabona kwamashu brana he's got talent bra and I'm happy that abantu abasi-restrict abathi this is a male dominated industry this is a woman dominated industry umuntu makabona i-opportunity uyayithatha that is what I'm realizing ever since sicala ngale episode umjida akavelanga athi hayi lento lo zokuthunga and everything
izinto zabo cherry lezo
bathi
manje clean
straight
manje clean
buwe ngishaya nobhampa
So Mafosa, I want to understand ini brand yakho actually what are we talking about masikhuluma ngakho
ngebrand
ibrand yami Sikway
okay
hayi kuyiSikway igama lami lokuhamba lokuswenka uKelvin
alright
isibongo ngwakway
okay
i-challenge engibe nayo angangikwazi ukukhanda iKelvin Kway ngoba khona iKelvin Klein uma ngithi CK ama-CK asemabili kwaku-2010 ngenza i-project yami e-DUT ama-sweatshirt then I decided ukuthi ngizosebenzisa u-C kuKway uKWEYI ngakhipha u-Y kwawu-KWEI kwawu-Sikway
Sikway
manje sangishoda ngentombi yesi-French ezothi Sikway
creativity bra art this guy is
creative bra creative manje u-inspire yini la mawuzocreate le shirt yini le boyicabanga engqondweni your inspiration behind this creativity
behind this I'm a filmmaker, I'm a musician, I'm a designer. Content so ipogi. Ma musician ayazi. Kufika beats, kufika chorus.
Yes.
Kufika ama lyrics. All of those things. So kumina, I was thinking of amapiano like a keyboard.
It makes sense now. Yes.
Kune impahla ngiyidesignile ebhalwe yi. Why don't I put some zips? Ngaxoxela umngane wami uBlack Monacho oyebrand iBlack Monacho.
Yeah.
Try ama-zips. Njengoba sengiwatrayile and futhi they working now.
Yeah.
Hey,
Mara, now it makes sense mawungitshela ngale history behind. Oh, wena uthe uhlezi wacabanga ama keys we keyboard. What okay, I love the keys so I can make something creativity, the creativity man. Yeah. It shows a lot of experience onayo.
Yabona ngifuna ukubuza manje ibrand yakho ikuphi manje how which level ikuphi masikhuluma ngayo manje where are you as we speak? Where are we as we speak?
Okay. I'll be honest.
Yeah.
Mina, I was ibrand iqale 2010.
Okay. Yeah.
But ngangaba interested ngoba bengifuna ukuthi ngibe nemali kuqala.
Yes. Yeah.
Then ngangena kwi-corporate.
Yeah.
Emsebenzini ngiresign 2019.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mangiresign emsebenzini ngenza ama-uniform.
Okay.
Ngayithola i-support nama-brand amakhulu yabona.
Yeah.
But kwafika i-COVID and then they pull out ama-sponsors nani.
Yeah.
Ngavele
walimala. Nomoya walimala.
Nga-hungry.
Yeah.
Nga-hungry.
Walamba.
Alamba.
Yeah.
Ngithe mangilambile ngaba ne-idea yokubhala i-movie. Fast forward.
Yeah.
Now, ngithe mangihleli ngoba I'm working for someone.
Yeah.
I make ama-golf shirts, abanye abantu, I make ama-tracksuits, abanama-brand. Mina I supply abantu abanama-brand.
Okay.
Then I realized, no.
Oh.
I'm busy making other people ukuthi babe rich.
Nge-talent yakho.
Hayi ukuthi mhlambe nginesilwane nomani.
Face reality. Bawubuye
Ngase ngacabanga ukuthi why can't I make something for myself and go back where I started before?
Yeah.
That's why ibrand was revived. Njengoba isi-revived futhi it's why now all of my guns I'm sticking them ukuthi ngizoba ikwerekwere lami ngizoba isigcila sami sokuthi mina ngiyiphumelelise empilweni.
Bro, this is beautiful, bro. I'll be honest with you. This is beautiful. You're doing a beautiful work. Do you have a team la usebenza na or usebenza u1?
Okwamanje.
Yeah.
Asikho isibusi sengisasitshontshile ngoba akho umuntu engimqashile.
All the designs and everything uzenzela wena nje.
Yabo mina abantu abaningi eThekwini bathi bama-designer bakhatha without i-pattern. Ofisha ubuhlathi lobo ngoba awunayo i-reference. Yabo you must have i-reference. Mina I'm a pattern maker. I'm a garment technologist. I make i-pattern iqala. Iphakethe emali la. Na next time kumuntu extra large o2XL imele libe la exactly.
I see what you mean.
That's why lapha kusiza khona. Umuntu oyihlathi uzothena usiya ngengqondo ipattern akayisebenzisi. Ngoba uyihlathi. And this is business. Everything in life you must have a reference of everything you are doing. Noma yini oyenzayo. So that's why I make ama-patterns. Esikoleni ngifunde kanjalo. And futhi ngisebenzisa lokho. So into eyenza ibrand yami ihluke kunabanye abantu abaningi. Lento ngiyifundele ngasebenza ema-factory ngathola iskill ngasebenzela abantu ngiyayisebenza manje. But engikwaziyo ukuthi noma yini oyenzayo idinga ukuthi ibhalansiswe incwadi mayingekho uyaphambuka. Iyona lento eyenza ibrand yami engathi mhlambi ngahluka kunabanye. Yabo labo zipho babona la namagama babona la kune-pattern
eyenziwe kuqala before.
Eyenziwe. Mase ngenzela wena u-small, medium, u-large, extra large. Ngithatha ibhodi eliyi-pattern. Ngibeke endwangini. Ukuthi ama-alphabet amakanje ozipho amakanje.
Oh yeah, you don't always nje
Lo
kuphela.
u-10 cm.
Yeah.
Lo u-14 cm.
Yeah.
Kukaliwe konke.
Kukaliwe konke khamba nge-order.
Kunephethini yakhona ewu-brown paper ikhadibhodi eliqinile.
Yeah.
Engifike ngidebe kuyona kuqala kuyimasi engiyenza. Angivele ngenza, angenzi ngekhanda.
Thank you Brian.
Ngenza
Thank you
ngencwadi.
Brian. Yeah. So Mr. Kwe, umuntu okubonako manje mhlawumbe othande lama design la or ofuna ukubona more of your brand ukuthola kuphi ungakhuluma lapha ukuthi utholakala kuphi?
Mina hey ama-socials ngine Facebook Bilani Kelvin Kwei. Mase kuba ne-page Sikwei Sons of Wealth. Sikwei mase kuba u-Sons of Wealth. Lo la ngemuva.
Tanko. Yeah.
Mase kuba u-Twitter.
X
Kelvin
man.
Kwei.
Yeah.
Mase kuba Instagram.
Yeah.
U-TikTok but angikho big kuma-social.
Yeah.
Kancane
Brian. Kancane.
Ngoba phela lezi zinto lezi mina hayi ukuthi zintsha angiyinikanga isikhathi sokuyifunda nokuzazi.
Yeah. Yakuzwa Brian.
Kodwa bafethu khona umnganami olaphana umshakes interiors.
Yeah.
Besikhanda sofa naye la yabona khona ama-culture la esiwadizayinile eplango yabona.
Yeah. Zoba naye ubi yena vele ezazongena manje. Uyasaba ikamera. Ungamenzela just i-advertisement ukuthi abantu abafuna ama-design wama-couch.
Osofa. Iplango nje i-woodwork. Shakes interiors.
Shakes Interiors. Bamfuna kuma-social babhale Shakes Interiors.
MSHAKES. Shakes.
Yes.
Interiors.
Yeah.
Umnganami hey.
Hayi no siyabonga Mr. Philani kuba nawe all the best ngebrand yakho baba.
Ngiyabonga nami kakhulu bafethu ithuba eninginike lona. Ngiqhubeke ninike nabanye abafethu.